I'm an electrical engineer apprentice and my day-to-day activities are checking machinery, breakdowns and temperature uniformity surveys to make sure that we meet Rolls-Royce standards. So the AMRC Training Centre was really good for me because I got to meet loads of new people. The training was to a good standard, the facilities were great, loads of amazing machinery there, and yeah, I feel I did well there, so it must have been a great training centre.
Josh came to us straight from school with very little practical experience, and he's adapted extremely well to our quite dangerous and challenging heavy industry environment. He's very safe, very conscientious, and he looks after his colleagues very, very well. Josh has become a very important member of the team, and he's done a number of projects that are very important to us. In the future, we're quite confident that Josh will become our instrumentation engineer, and that is why I think he's a good candidate for the award.
The positives of working at TC Wilder are meeting loads of different people, loads of different types of people. I get to do varied jobs from electrical to mechanical to working on every machine here. And I feel like it's challenging me, and hopefully in the future I'll get to carry on with my education and get somewhere higher in the business.
My role at Premier Foods is a multi-skilled maintenance engineer apprentice who is currently based at Site Services carrying out electrical and mechanical jobs. And I really appreciate all the engineers and getting to know them and all their skills and knowledge that they've learnt over the years, and how I can implement it into my skills and use that into my day-to-day activities. At my time at AMRC Training Centre, I really enjoyed the hydraulics and pneumatics course for the technical and unique processes used to control systems.
Well, Cameron is a very hard-working, proactive engineering apprentice, and certainly the time that I've got to know him, he's very articulate in the way he plans and deals with tasks that he is given by the senior engineers and managers alike. More recently, he was able to plan meticulously modification through the effluent valves that added value to Premier Foods.
I really want to continue working at Premier Foods and making a difference, getting to know all the engineers here and all the new skills and knowledge that they picked up that they can give me. And hopefully in the future then I can hopefully get into a managerial role and job that I will really enjoy.
PCL is a company I work for. They manufacture tyre inflation equipment as well as tyre management, pneumatic components. What I really like about working here is people are friendly here, every day is different challenges to overcome, and I just appreciate the fact that it's ever growing, something new every day. At the AMRC Training Centre, really appreciate the fact that I was trained in a world-class environment by tutors who had past experience in the industry, so they passed their skills on to me as well as people around me, and I use that here as well as at home and in the world.
Jack's a bright, talented individual who's passed his BTEC course with distinctions at a very high standard. Jack is well liked by PCL, all his colleagues and friends. He's very friendly and approachable. Jack's done some outstanding work and produced some good quality work. He works closely with our development team, helping develop our new range of products, and we wish him every success for the future.
So in the future, I'd like to become a fully competent engineer, working with new technology, developing new technology to change the world and create new challenges in my life, hopefully.